Well, today the Scott Brooks murder trial is in week 3 as the state continues to call more expert witnesses to the stand.
WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is joining us live from outside the courthouse. Jesse, you listened to the testimony all day long.
Yeah, I think today was about DNA. Some very interesting revelations inside the courtroom. What can you share, Jesse?
Exactly. Now, the jury heard from DNA experts who talked about how evidence is collected and how it is tested. The jury also heard from corrections officers who monitored the defendant and who could also speak on their record. So let's jump into some video from the courtroom today. Now, the prosecution called to the stand a DNA expert who testified that it was likely that Terry Conner's DNA was found on a bullet shell casing recovered from the December 2019 shooting death of Scott Brooks. Then adult correction officers took to the stand testifying about their roles in probation and parole, describing how offenders are required to provide contact information, including phone numbers and addresses. Both Stephen Staples and Terry Conner provided phone numbers and addresses of family members or partners as contacts during their probation time. One officer recalled Stephen Staples not being at a given address and efforts to search for him, but defense attorneys pointed out many routine checks when he was at his given address.
So fair to say he was home during some routine visits and he wasn't home during some routine visits?
That's correct.
In your time with probation and parole, in your current role since 2006, are there times where offenders don't tell their probation officers or update their probation officers with addresses?
Yes, it's happened.
Court resumes at 10:30 tomorrow morning, and we will be here. Live in Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.